Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're coming on a little bald. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the wig fix. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but it's by the brand the Renatural, I think that's how you say it. And it is a wig band that is supposed to have your wig snatched and secured, okay, without the glue and all of that fun stuff. So I ordered it. And I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts, let you know if it really has your wig is secured as they say it's supposed to. We're gonna be doing all kinds of head tricks and flips and stuff. But yes, this brand is based in the UK. It was about $44, and that including shipping, and it came in this little package. I didn't have to pay customs or anything. And then in the package you have a card. It says the Renatural and a nice little quote, and then it shows you how to put it on. And then I'm getting the bag dirty already. So yeah, it has our contact, and then this is the band. So it says the wig fix. It's just in this little, this pouch is so cute. It's so simple, but it's cute. The wig fix looks like that. Let's open it up. So I haven't put this on yet. I haven't touched it. It got here last week. I think it took about, from when I ordered it, I think it took about a week to come, so that's not bad. Does it matter which side is correct? I'm guessing not, because it's on both sides. So it looks like this. It's like this clear, stretchy band. Well, it's not super stretchy. It does have a nice bit of a resistance to it, and it's like, bring it up close. But all these like dots that you guys see, like if I turn it this way, yeah, you can see that they're raised, and it's like that all around and on both sides. It just has that raised little dots material. I'm assuming that that's what keeps the wig in place. So let's go ahead and put it on. I don't think there's any right way to say it. So for on the how to use card, it says step 1, apply wig fix behind the hairline, then wear wig front first over the wig fix. Step 3, tighten wig around the wig fix and adjust accordingly. So I'm gonna put it on. Behind the hairline, bring it up some. Ooh, she's bringing my wig cap back. So about there, that's where I would put. Apply. It's tight, y'all. I feel like I got a decent sized head, but also I do have some chunky braids in the back, but it's a little tight. Not like tight, but like at the end of the day, it might give you a headache tight, might. So this is a wig. Y'all have seen this wig plenty of times. I'm just as tired of it as you are, honestly. So let's put this bad boy on. I'm gonna put it on with the band and without the band to see how I feel. So first we're gonna put it on with the band that I have actually attached to my wig. Woo. Okay. So pull this a little bit closer, I guess, to where the wig is. I'm just adjusting the wig band, the wig fix, so that it is laying as close to the edge of my wig as possible. And yeah, so it feels secured, but we're gonna get up and shake this thing, honey. It feels really secure, but like, yeah, it feels really secure. I've never worn this wig in the middle part like this. I look cute, okay, honey? I look 70s, 80s. Anyway, it feels secured. As I put the wig on, it's starting to feel really tight now. Because before I said, oh, it might give you a headache, but it's starting to feel really tight. I don't know if that's from 2 bands sitting on the back of my head, but it's starting to feel really tight. Let's go ahead and do a little shake test. I'm gonna stand up. Like I said, got the wig on, and I'm gonna try and see if I can shake this off, essentially. Okay, so good couple of shakes. The wig did move back a little bit. Now, but like, it wasn't like, it didn't fly off. If I wasn't wearing this band, it would have flew off. Move back a little bit, just a smidge. Like, honestly, not that bad. It didn't fly off, that's what I'm saying. So that's not bad. Okay, now I'm gonna take the wig off and apply it without the band. Applied. Yeah, I think the 2 bands was what was giving me the headache, because now that I applied it without putting the band on first, it feels a little less tight. But the band is definitely sitting in the middle of my head, so I feel it there. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the shake test again. And we'll see. Yep, wig came off, y'all. Y'all saw, it flew off. The wig flew off. It wasn't secured. All right, let me put my wig back on and we'll talk. All right, so how do I feel about this? Essentially, so without the band, the wig will fly. Without the band on my wig, the wig would have flew off. I don't use clips, so that could have been a whole different story. I don't like clips. They give me a headache. I don't use clips. But without the band, the wig will fly off with any vigorous shaking. So I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. Like, to be honest, I really don't know how I feel about this wig band thing, because and then it slid back with the band. It did slide back a little bit. So to me, it's just like, maybe the point of it is to use less glue. Let me check the website. Oh, y'all, I'm trying to look it up, and I don't know if I'm getting a headache from shaking or for the pressure that's on my head. So on the website, it says the wig secure. It provides roller coaster proof security. So goodbye to those anxiety-inducing moments. Edges protected. Patent pending design. The patent pending design protects and stimulates the scalp, inducing natural hair growth. You apply in seconds. It's reusable and comfortable, and it makes lace realistic. Gives frontals enclosure and more skin-like appeal without wig caps and liners. Am I not supposed to wear it with the wig cap? Because I definitely put it on with the wig cap. Homegirl in the picture wearing a wig cap. It's supposed to, no more fiddling with glue, gels, tapes, and clips. I don't know, y'all. This is nice. I think that this is a good solution for wearing, like, maybe a wig to work, or like to a quick outing or something. Like, anything that's not, you don't have to glue your wig down to go out to dinner, to go to work, to do any of that shit, because it's sitting, my lace is sitting nice and flat. It's not like lifting up anywhere. Yeah, it's making the lace look really good. Like I said, it's sitting nice and flat. Whoa, the way it's blending into my skin, I don't know what that is, but yeah, it's making the lace look really good. Like I said, sitting nice and flat. So I think this would be a nice alternative to, like, the band, like sewing a band on. I don't know about y'all, but like that gives me some security, but at the same time, not at the same time. Not really. I would still have to put glue right here at least to go to work, because it would start to slide back and shit. So I think that the wig fix, is a really good alternative to gluing for going to work, going out to eat, going out anywhere that's not super serious. Would I wear this on a roller coaster? I don't know, because like I said, y'all saw it slip back when I was just shaking my head. So I don't know about wearing it on a roller coaster. I don't know if I would wear this to an indoor trampoline park. I don't know if I would do any of that, honestly, because like I said, it did slip back a little bit and I followed the directions. So I don't know. But otherwise, this is good. Like, if you're not going nowhere serious, then you don't have to glue your wig down, because my shit is sitting. But at the same time, y'all, the shit is tight. I think I said that like 3 times already. It's tight. Like, I can feel the pressure on my head. I don't know how long I could sit with this wig fix thing on, because my head feels real fucking tight. Like, y'all, I can't even begin to explain how tight this is. Like, I wore it the next day, and from the time that I put it on to getting dressed to going to put my shoes on, I had such a bad headache. It is so tight. It's so painful. And that could be a couple of things. I make my wigs on the smaller side so that they do fit on my head. But actually no, because I did try off camera with another wig. Where is it? Where's my wig at? Anyway, I tried on with another wig that is loose and big on my head, and I still felt the pressure of the wig band. So that's definitely a problem, y'all. Like, it feels like pressure. I'm really easily prone to headaches, so I feel like I don't see this like being an all day thing for me. It's like, it's like pros and cons to this, because I'm sorry, I keep looking down because I'm looking at the wig, because honestly, it looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. Of course, if I lift it up, you're gonna see the lace lift a little bit, but I could honestly just bring the wig thing closer, the wig fix closer. It looks so good, but it's tight. It's tight. It's tight. I can feel the pressure. Honestly, y'all, I really don't know how to feel about this product. I don't know how to feel about it. I like it. I don't think that it's worth $44, to be honest, because like I said, I wouldn't get on a roller coaster with this. And it's really tight. Like, I'm starting to feel myself develop a headache from how tight it is. So I don't know, like, I'm kind of iffy about it. I don't know. So I hope you guys, I'm sorry I don't have like a full conclusion on the video. Like, I can't recommend it. I just like, it might just be my head. Maybe my head is too big. So that could be a suggestion for the company, is to maybe include different sizes, because this shit is tight, y'all. I can't wait to take this thing off. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And until next time, spread love, be kind, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.